In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to do the fake shot in AFC 26. To perform a fake shot, there are two ways you can do it, either by pressing circle plus X or square plus X. Now if your shoot button is set to square, you are actually in luck because it's much easier to pull off using the square button. Here's why. When you naturally hold the controller, your thumb already rests near the square button. So to execute the fake shot smoothly, you want to make a small sliding or worm-like motion with your thumb. First, tap square using the tip of your thumb and then quickly press X right after. The same logic applies if you use circle plus X, but the square method tends to feel more natural and quicker. Timing is the most important part here. If you press the buttons too slowly, your player will end up taking an actual shot instead of cancelling it. Make sure the shot button is pressed first, followed immediately by the pass button. So again, it should always be shoot first then pass, never the other way around. Once you get the timing right, the fake shot becomes one of the easiest and most effective moves to pull off in the game. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.